Effortlessly port digital assets between decentralized networks in minutes using hashport. Here's how. Step 1. Connect your software wallets to hashport. The Hedera and Ethereum networks are being used in this example. Step 2. Click the icon to connect your Ethereum-based wallet. We are using MetaMask. Successful connections show one green dot. Make sure your wallet has enough Ether to process transactions. Connect your existing Hedera account using the wallet options listed. We are using Hashpack Wallet. Follow the instructions on the Hashpack extension to connect your wallet. Step 3. If your current wallet isn't listed, a new wallet and account can be created to transfer your HBAR. Alternatively, click Create Hedera Account. Create an account by typing in a password, and your HBAR wallet is generated and the keystore JSON file will be downloaded. Next, click on Import Hedera Account. Then select Keystore File from the Account Import options. After creating a Hedera account, upload the Keystore JSON file that is generated. Upload the file and click Load Wallet. Your public key and account ID should now be populated. Blank fields indicate your public key must be registered first. Click Continue to connect your wallet. Step 5. Select the From network. You may be prompted to switch the network that you are connected to. Select the token you want to port. Then, the To network, where the token will be projected. Enter the transfer amount, double-check your entries, then slide the button to confirm the transaction. After swiping to confirm and accept TNC, you will see this screen after the confirmation process. Do not refresh or close the window as your transaction may fail. The transaction is complete. Your projected assets are now in your destination wallet. You can view the transaction and download receipt. Congratulations! You're ready to explore new worlds of possibility with Hashport.